with weathercaster Tatum Larsen.
Taking a look at our Palm Springs Tram Cam right now at a sunny start to the day. But if you are going outside, you're going to be noticing the wind that is set to stay with us for the rest of today into tomorrow as well, especially in areas near the San Gorgonio Pass and the northern Coachella Valley. Now, right now near Whitewater, we're tracking speeds at 30 miles per hour and near Palm Springs 12 miles per hour. So comparable to last night, these winds are much weaker than what we've seen and much weaker than what we are going to see later on today. It's a very similar setup to yesterday and the day before that. And the day before that, as we have a weaker windy morning, but more wind is ahead due to this low pressure system right here that's set to push further inland and bring us those gustier winds once again, specifically around noon once again into the evening hours. Now here's a look at what conditions are set to look like around noon today. As you can see, we're going to be experiencing winds picking up, especially in those hotspot areas near the I-10 corridor, seeing a high of 37 miles per hour near Whitewater, 33 miles per hour near Desert Hot Springs, and 32 miles per hour near Thousand Palms. But we're all going to be feeling the wind today due to that strengthening low pressure system, specifically this evening. Here's a look at what wind conditions are expected to look like by 3 o'clock. We are likely to see wind speeds pushing past 40 miles per hour in our most wind-prone spots, seeing a high of 42 miles per hour near Whitewater, 45 miles per hour near Desert Hot Springs, and 37 miles per hour near Thousand Palms. These winds will stay with us through this evening, through tonight, and very similar conditions are expected once again by tomorrow as we have that weaker wind in the morning hours, but then we start to pick up once again by the evening. But I am tracking an end in sight to these winds as high pressure continues to build and calms us down and boosts our temperatures. Now, right now in terms of our temperatures, we're feeling fairly cool as we're in the 60s. We'll be pushing into the low 90s once again, seeing a high of 91 degrees. But as high pressure continues to build and calms us down, we'll start to see that we're pushing into the high 90s by Friday and back into those triple digits by the weekend.